What are you doing?
Can you make your train go around the loop? Through the bridge. I made him a simple one because he kept knocking over the more complicated ones and screaming. Did it work with your feet? Hey, can you fix it? Here. Aww.